Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to select all the photos in Google Photos on mobile. If you intend to share a large number of photos with someone or on social media, selecting all photos ensures that you include all the relevant images in your share. First of all, open the Google Photos app on your mobile device. Then, click on the menu icon located in the bottom left corner of the screen. After that, tap and drag your finger from the first photo down across all the photos you want to select. You will now see small check boxes on each photo. Look for an option that allows you to select all, or a checkbox at the top of the screen. Tap on Select All, or the checkbox at the top to select all photos in your collection. Once all photos are selected, you can perform various actions like sharing, moving, or deleting. The exact steps may vary slightly depending on the version of the Google Photos app and the type of mobile device you are using. If there isn't a Select All option directly visible, check for alternative options like tapping and dragging your fingers across the photos to select multiple at once. By following these steps, you can easily select all photos in your Google Photos app, whether you are using it on your iPhone or Android device. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.